check whether they are in AP or GP. Arithmetic progression is they should have common difference. So they want A7. A7 is what? A r power 7 minus 1. A r power 6. 3 power n is equal to 19683. So now you write this 19,683 as 3 multiple. A comma B comma C are in GP, geometric progression. Then B square, the middle term square is product of the last. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of sequence and series. See, exercise 9.3, problem 1. Find the 20th and nth term of geometric progression GP 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8. See, here first we should write the first term. First term is called as A. A is what? 5 by 2. Then you should find common ratio. Common ratio means ratio of consecutive terms. I can do second term by first one, A2 by A1, or you can do A3 by A2, anything. So that will become 5 by 4 by 5 by 2. That is 5 by 4 by 5 by 2 can be written as into 2 by 5. So I can cancel 5, 5. So further 2 ones are 2 twos are. Common ratio is 2, 1 by 2. What is the common ratio? 1 by 2. You have first term is 5 by 2. Common ratio you have 1 by 2. And now you need 20th term. So an, what is an? A into r power n minus 1. A20, what is A20? A into r power 20 minus 1. So A20 is 20th term. A20 is A means first term is 5 by 2. R is what? 1 by 2, 1 by 2 power 19. Now you know 1 power anything is 1 by 2 power 19. That is 5 ones are 5 by 2 power 20. So they want 20th term. So you got 20th term A20. What is A20? 5 by 2 power 20. So 5 by 2 power 20. So an, what is an? A into r power n minus 1. That is A is what? 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 power n minus 1. That is 5 by 2 into 1 power n minus 1 divided by 2 power n minus 1. You know 1 power anything is 1. So an is what? 5 into 1 by 2 power n minus 1 by 2. Law of indices, 2 power 1 into 2 power n minus 1 becomes what? 5 by 2 power n minus 1 plus 1. So an, that is an is equal to 5 by 2 power n. So directly A20 you can substitute in this. A20 is 5 by 2 power 20. A15 is 5 by 2 power 15 like that. So a nth term, a r power n minus 1. So 1 power anything is 1. 1 power n minus 1 is what? 1. And n minus 1 goes to denominator also. It will become 2 power n minus 1. Law of indices. All of you know a power m into a power n. What is a power m into a power n? A power m plus n. Same logic we use for a into a power n minus 1. A into a power n minus 1 is 1 plus n minus 1. So it will become a power n. What is the nth term? 5 divided by 2 power n. Then find the 12th term of GP whose 8th term is 192 and common ratio is 2. So they have given 8th term. So they gave A8. A8 is how much? 192. You know AN. What is AN for GP? A into r power n minus 1. So that implies A8 can be written as A into r power 8 minus 1 is given 192. Or r power 7 is 192. And they have given A 192 is A into r power 7. So call it as equation 1. And common ratio is given. Sorry, common ratio is what? 2. That is A into 2 power 7 is 192. A into 2 power 7 is what? 192. Simplify this. 2 power 7, all of you know. Multiply 2 7 times. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 2s are 64, 2s are 128. A into 128 is equal to 192. Now this is 192 divided by 128. So now both are divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. And 2 4s are 8. Further it is divisible by what? 2 again, 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 2 6. 3s are 2 6 and both are divisible by 8. 8 6 are 48, 8 4s are 32, 2 3s are 2 2s are. So A is 3 by 2. So we got A 3 by 2. They gave common ratio. What is the common ratio given? Common ratio is 2. R is 2. They want you to find which term? 12th term. They want you to find 12th term. A12. A12 is what? A into R power 12 minus 1. What is A? A value is 3 by 2 into R power 12 minus 1. What is R? Common ratio. Common ratio is 2. 2 power 12 minus 1. So that is 3 by 2 into 2 power 11. That is 3 into 2 power law of indices 11 minus 1. So 3 into 2 power 10. So multiply 2 power 10. So 2 power 5 is 32. Again 2 power 64. 7 is 128. So 2 power 7 is 128. 128 2s. So it will become 256. 256 into 2s. So keep multiplying 512. 512 2s. 512 into 2. 1024. 1024. So now 1024 into 3. 3 into 3 4s are 12, 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So 0, 3. 3072 is the 12th term. What is the 12th term? 3072. Direct problem. Then the 5th, 8th and 11th terms of GP are P, Q or S. P, Q and S. They are asking to prove Q square is PS. They wanted to prove what? Q square value is PS. So we will find one by one. So they gave 5th term. A5 is what? Given A5 is what? P. All of you know A5 means what? A into R power 5 minus 1 is P. Or can I say A R power 4 is P. So P value you got. Similarly, 8th term, A8. 8th term they gave 8th. See, this is 5th term. 8th term they gave Q. So they gave A8. What is A8? Q. What is A8? A into R power 8 minus 1 is Q. A into R power 7 is Q. So you got Q value. Got as 2. Then they gave 11th term, A11. A11 is what? A into R power 11 minus 1. A11 is S. S is equal to what? AR power 10. So you got S value also 3. You got P, Q and S. So you know P value, you know Q value, you know S value. Then A11 we got, that is S. So all the values we got. Substitute. So we'll take LHS. LHS is what? P square. P square means what? What is the value of P? P is AR power 4. AR power 4 whole AR power 4 whole square. So that will become A square. R power 4 2s are 8. So P square value you got. What is P square? So A square R power 8. So we call it as equation 1. So here we have P is what? 5th term. AR power 4. AR power 4 whole square. Then they want PS. So this is Q square. Sorry. They want Q square. So here no use in this. Okay. We'll take LHS. In LHS they want Q square. What is Q square? So what is the value of Q? Q is what? AR power 7 is Q. Or Q is AR power 7. AR power 7 whole square. So take it inside. So it will become A square. Law of indices. 7 2s are 14. AR power 14. So you got the Q square value. They wanted Q square. Q square is this. Call it as equation. So we call them as 1, 2, 3. So I'll call it as 4. So now you got Q square or you got LHS. So now I'll take RHS. What is RHS? RHS is PS. P into S. Substitute for P and S. What is P? AR power 4. P is AR power 4. What is S? S is here AR power 10. AR power 10. Law of indices. A into A is A square. R power 4 into A power M into A power N is A power M plus N. So it will become A square. A into A square. A square into R power 14. So call it as QS. This is QS RHS. So from 4 and 5. From equation 4 and equation 5 if you observe. This is also A square R power 14. This is also A square R power 14. So LHS and RHS both are giving same value. That is Q square value is exactly what? PS. Separately find Q square, separately find PS. Both will give you same value. You can substitute. So P is AR power 4, Q is AR power 7. S is r power 10. Substitute in LHS q square. Value of q is ar power 7 whole square. It will become a square r power 14. Substitute in PS. P is ar power 4. Here we got P as ar power 4. S we got ar power 10. In the place of S put ar power 10. A into A is a square. R power 4 into r power 10 is r power 14. So a square r power 14 we got QS. Hence LHS, RHS both the same. We got the value of what? Q square. Q square is what? PS. Now the fourth term of GP is square of its second term. The fourth term is square of second term. And the first term is minus 3. Determine seventh term. Determine what? Seventh term. So first I'll write what is given. So given the fourth term A4 is square of second term A2 whole square. This is given. And also they give first term. First term is what? A is minus 3. And they want you to find A7. Their question is A7. Dear student, if you want any particular term, you need A and common ratio. To find R, they gave a hint. What is the hint? Fourth term A4 is square of second term. What is A4 formula? A into R power 4 minus 1. So what is A2 formula? A into R power 2 minus 1 whole square. So that is A into R cube is equal to A square in A into 2 minus 1 is AR. This will become AR whole square. Now AR cube is equal to what? AR square. So now substitute it. So we got AR cube is equal to what? AR. So AR cube is equal to AR square. Sorry, A square. Take square inside. A square R square. A square R square. So bring all the R terms to one side and A terms to one side. A by A square is equal to R square by R. Okay, bring. So rearrange. So I'll bring R square to LHS. We need R. R cube divided by R square is equal to A square and divided by A. Transfer A to the sides. R square and R cancels, we'll get R. A square and A cancels, we'll get R value is A. And A is given. What is A given? Minus 3. So that implies R value is A. A means what? Minus 3. You got R also. If you know common ratio and you know common term, you can find any term. So they want you to find the particular term called seventh term. So how to find A7? In order to find A7, so they want A7. A7 is what? A R power 7 minus 1. A R power 6. A is what? Minus 3. Into what? Minus 3 power 6. You know, minus 3 into minus 3 power 6 is minus 3 power 7. Minus power odd number is minus. So 3 you multiply 7 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 6, 3. So all of you know, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 4 3s have multiplied. Then 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So you multiply these two, you'll get the answer. 27 into 81. 27, 81. So 7, 2. 8 7s are 5, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 5. 21, 7, 8, 1, 2, 1, 8, 7. Minus 2187. You can use calculator or multiply however you want. 3 power 7 means multiply 3 7 times. Minus power odd number, minus comes as it is. So minus 2817. Then which term of the following sequence is, they're asking first one 2 root 2 4 so on, which term is 128? So question A, which term of the following sequence 2 root 2 4 is 128? Check whether they're in AP or GP. Arithmetic progression means they should have common difference. So they don't have common difference. For 2, if 2 root 2 we are getting and then 4 we are getting, they don't have common difference. They have common ratio. Divide second term by first term. So A2 by A1 you do. If you do A2 by A1, 2 root 2 by 2, the 2 cancels, it will give root 2. Now you try A3 by A2. So this by this as well as this by this should give you same. So A3 by A2. A3 by A2 means what? 4 by 2 root 2. 4 by 2 root 2 if you do also, you will get 2 by root 2. Dear student, 2 by root 2 can be written as numerator. Root 2 can be written as 2 root 2 the whole square by root 2. Root 2 cancels, it is root 2. So A2 by A1 is also root 2. A3 by A2 also root 2. They have common ratio. So therefore, what is the common ratio? R is root 2. Common ratio is root 2. So the series or the given sequence is in geometric progression. Every term you multiply root 2 to this, you will get 2 root 2. Again you multiply root 2 to this, it will become 2 into root 2 into root 2 becomes 2 into 2, that is 4. So they want you to, so now they want which term is A. So AN is 128. AN is a given AN 128. You should find which term it is. So now you need to find N. AN value, nth term is 128. Which term is 128? They're asking you. I'll assume AN is 128. And AN is what? A into R power n minus 1 because they are in GP. So now that is what? 128. A value, you know, the first term 2. 2 into R value, you know, root 2 power n minus 1 is equal to what? 128. You know, 2, you transfer that side, root 2 power n minus 1 is 128 divided by 2. 2 6 are 2 4s are. Root 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 64. Can I write it as 2 power half root power n minus 1 is equal to 64 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32, 2s are 64, 2 power 5. Sorry, 2 power 6. 2 power 5 is 32, 2s are. So now 2 power, we have 2 power 1 by 2, law of indices, 1 by 2 into root, I wrote it as 1 by 2. So we have 2 power 1 by 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 2 power what we have? 6. So now law of indices, you know, a power m whole power n is a power m into n. So this will become 2 power half into n minus 1 is n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 power 6. Now bases are same, equate the powers. If I equate the powers, I'll get n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6. Or n minus 1 is equal to 6 into 2. Or n minus 1 is equal to 12. Or n is equal to 12 plus 1. Or n is equal to what? 13. So n we got. What is n? 13. So 13th term is 128. What is the conclusion? 13th term. A13 is 128. Which term is 128? A13. Then which term of the following sequence is 729? Again, they are in common ratio. Simple. Multiply root 3, you will get next term. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 into root 3, 3 root 3. Or if you do second term by first term, or third term by second term, you will get first this 3 by root 3. This is 3 root 3 by root 3. 3 root 3 by 3. So both will give root 3 only. They have common ratio. So this if you rationalize, it is same. So they are in GP and root 3 is the common ratio. Or every time you multiply root 3, you will get next term. So now nth term they give. What is nth term? 729. So AN formula is what? A into R power n minus 1 is what? 729. A means first term. First term is root 3 into R power n minus 1 is 729. Here you know the value of R also. What is the value of R? So what is the value of R? We have root 3. So in place of R, I'll put root 3. I'll put what? Root 3. So now law of indices. So law of indices, I can use a power m into a power n is a power m plus 1. Root 3 power r n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 729. So plus 1 minus 1 cancels. I am using a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So 1 plus n minus 1 becomes 1. So root 3 power n is equal to what? 729. So what is the conclusion? So root 3 can be written as 3 power half power n is equal to what? 729. 729 you write it in terms of 3 multiple. 3 multiple 81 into 3. So like 3 power 4, 3 power 5 if you try you will get it. So now we'll try 3 values. So you know 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 81 3s are 81 into 3 if I do, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 3 8s are 24. So 24 into 3 I'll do. So till this 81, till this 243, 243 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 2s are 6 7 29 into 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243, 243 3s are gives you 729. So you can write this as 3 power 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 power law of indices. Half into n is n by 2 is what? 3 power 6. Bases are same, equate the powers. N by 2 is 6. N is what? 6 into 2. So 12. So this is 12th term. What is the answer? 729 is 12th term. Which term is 729? 729 is 12th term. Next. Same. A is what? 1 by 3. And every term you multiply. See, A2 by A1 will do. A2 by A1 if I do. So 1 by 9 divided by 1 by 3. So that is 1 by 9 into 3 by 1. That is 1 by 3. You do A3 by A2. A3 by A2. A3 is what? 1 by 27 divided by 1 by 9. That is 1 by 27 into 9 by 1. 9 1s are 9 3s are 1 by 3. So A2 by A3 by A2 is also same. So always you are getting common ratio 1 by 3. So R is what? 1 by 3. Common ratio. So there in GP. In GP, what is the nth term formula? AN is what? A into R power n minus 1. So they're asking which term is 19,683. So AN is 1 by 19,683. AN formula is what? AN is A into R power n minus 1 is 1 by 19,688, that is 1,683, sorry, 20,683. And A value you know, that is 1 by 3 into R power n minus 1 is equal to what? 1 by 19,683. So 3 you transfer that side. R power n minus 1 is equal to 3 by 19,683. So R power n minus 1 is equal to, common ratio is what? 1 by 3, sorry. First term is also 1 by 3, common ratio is also 1 by 3, sorry. So now here you can substitute it, right? So 1 by 3 into R is what? 1 by 3 power R n minus 1 is 1 by 19,683. So dear students, A per m into A per n is A per m plus n. So that will become, so now use law of indices. If you use law of indices, A per m into A per n is A per m plus n. So 1 by 3 power 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 19,683. So plus 1 minus 1 cancels. So 1 by 3 power n, 1 by 3 whole power n is equal to 1 by 19,683. So now further I'll do it here. So 1 power anything is 1, 3 power n is equal to 19,683. So therefore by method of comparison numerators are same. So therefore 3 power n is equal to 19,683. So now you write this 19,683 as 3 multiple. So trial 3. Let me erase this part and I'll trial 3. So 3 power what gives you? 3 power, sorry, we have 3 power n is equal to 9683. So write this as 3 power n is equal to 3 power what? So till 3 power 6 we have done. If you remember, in last problem 3 power 6 we have done. So if you refer the last problem, so we have 3 power 6 by method of comparison. I wrote 729 is 3 power 6. So 3 power 6 is 729 and 3 power 7 gives you 729 3s are. So 9 3s are 27, 3 and 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 3. I want 3 again. At the end I want 3. So 3 power 7 is ruled out, but I need this number also. And 3 if you want, okay. Keep multiplying using calculator. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 3 9 and 3 7s are 21, 2197. 2197 into 3 you do. So keep multiplying like this. You will get by method of, say I'm asking you people to keep multiplying this, or we say 3 power 7 is 729 and you know 3 power 4 is 81. I'll try multiplying this. 81 gives you 9. So 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9. 3 power 3 is 27. Okay, 9 into 763. Yes. So 3 cube I'll try. 3 cube is what? 27. Just by inspection, keep multiplying 3 power 11, 3 power. So now what I'll do is 3 cube, you know, 27. I'll multiply these two. 729 into 27. If you multiply, what you will get? You check. 9 7s are 63, 6. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 6, 20. And 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 2, 51. 2 9s are 18, 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 7s are 14. Now we added 3 and it is 8 and it is 6. Yes. 19683. So means 3 power 7 into 3 cube. 3 power 7 into 3 cube means 7 plus 3, 3 power 10. So, or you keep multiplying 3 10 times, you will get it. So, by method of comparison, bases are same, n value is 10. So, n value is 10. So, 10th term is the answer. 3 power n is equal to 3 power 10. So, n is what? 10. So, next. For what value of x, the numbers are in GP. Remember, if 3 terms are in GP, very important, if A comma B comma C are in GP, geometric progression, then B square, the middle term square is product of the last A and C. So use the same technique. Middle term square, x square is product of these two, minus 2 by 7 into minus 7 by 2. So x square is 7, 7 cancels, 2, 2 cancels, minus into minus plus 1. So x is what? Root 1 plus or minus. So x value may be plus 1 or minus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1 is the roots. So what is the basic? If 3 terms are in JP, middle term square is AC. Or if 3 terms are in AP, middle term is average or arithmetic mean of first and last. But here B square is AC. Okay. Now we'll go to the next problem, problem 7. They want you to find the sum indicated. From 7th problem to 10th problem, some indicated you need to find. Some indicated you need to find. That all there is in GP. So first term, you know, A is 0.15. If you want, you can write 15 by 100, or you can convert it. And R is common ratio. Common ratio is second term divided by first term. 0.015 divided by 0.15. So shift the points. If I shift 1, 2, 3 digits, if I shift 15, here it will become 150. 15 ones are 15 tens are 1 by 10, or you can write 0.1. So now common ratio, let it be 1 by 10. You know 1 by 10 is less than 1. So when R is less than 1, SN formula, sum of n terms in GP is A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. That is A is what? 0.15 into 1 minus R power 10, 1 by 10 power 20th term divided by 1 minus 1 by 10. Simplify this. So simplify this, that is Sn is equal to, that is S20 is equal to, sum of 20 terms is equal to 0.15 into 1 minus 1 by, it will become, I can write 10 power minus 1 power 20 divided by 1 minus 1 by 10. You know 1 minus 1 by 10 is what? 9 by 10. Or 1 minus 0.9 you can write. 1 minus 10 power minus 20 divided by, I can write this as what? Law of indices, 10 ones are 10, 9 by 10. 10 goes up. If you take this 10 to numerator, it will become 1.5 into 1 minus 10 power minus 20 divided by 9. Further, you can use calculator. Since calculators are allowed, you can use calculator and calculate. So same task you can do, use Sn formula. Sn two cases depending on R. If R less than 1 or R greater than 1, you should see. And R greater than 1, two different cases. What is Sn when R is less than 1? A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. If R is greater than 1, Sn is what? A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Use this relevant formula and solve these problems and complete the task. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.